Got it here, Farmtech 120cc. I paid $700 with the whatever inch bar. That looks like a 36-inch bar. No, that's a 42-inch bar. That's a huge one. So that's for the bar and everything, and the chain. I paid only $700. And this is 122cc chainsaw. Looks like we gotta do a little bit of assembly. Super well packaged. Look at that. There's the chain. They give us a little mixer. There you go. This side here, 120cc, so much cheaper than a steel or Husqvarna. Those things are around $1,900. This is a really big engine, as you can see. So let's assemble it and see what it's all about. Let's unbox it and assemble it. So it looks like we'll need the bar first of all. Okay, then we have a couple of screws right here. Usually with the other chainsaws, all these things are assembled. This one is completely in parts, but they do give you like a little extra pulley rope that is already assembled. It's very tight, nice. Okay, next we're probably gonna assemble this side here. Okay, we have to take this off, and then I put this bar in and this side here on one screw. Then this little screw gonna go in here. I wish it was already assembled this way, but again, we save over $1,000. This one gonna go into here. And you have a couple of screws right here. We're gonna put 42-inch bar and the chain. Let's untangle that real quick. Okay, let's see how it does. Not too bad. Maybe this way will be okay. Put the screws in. Here, 42-inch bar. Okay, spin over here. There you go, nice and tight. Okay. And just like any other chainsaw, you got it here, bar oil and the gasoline. It takes a lot. Nice. It's a big chainsaw. Wow, it's almost taking this whole little thing right here. And then gasoline. 2-cycle. My gasoline always marked with 2-cycle all over it. Takes quite a bit of gas too. Nice. Filled it up. Okay, time to start it. So, then lift it up on top. Okay, got it here. Farmertech. I think that's what it's called. There is actual name on it. G888122. Wow, that was amazing. It cut through so fast. I didn't cut it all the way because it's sitting in the dirt and the rock. So we'll cut this side. That thing is powerful. Let's cut up this side, see how it does. Wow, wow, that's amazing. I can't believe it. That's insane. Wow. Hello. Not over there, not over here. Wow. Wow. That thing is a beast. I can't believe it. So guys, I actually ended up finishing it. Did not shut off on me once. Was very consistent cuts. I can't believe it. That thing is very powerful. Look at these rounds, they're big rounds. Got put to the test, more splitting wedges. But yeah, look at these kicks. They're huge, especially that one. So look at that cut. Boom. And it's still cutting, amazing. I couldn't believe it, how powerful that is for only $700 with a bar and a chain. Amazing, I can't believe it. That's a good deal. Runs it really well. Steel and Husqvarna, that side, you're gonna pay around $2,000 after taxes. Wow.